You are going to love the 2018 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, power moonroof, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.